A wire is in the form of a circle of radius 28 centimeters. It is rebent to form a square. Determine the length of the side of the square. In this question, a wire is in the form of a circle of radius 28 centimeters. This wire is rebent into a square of side, let's say x centimeters. So we have to find what is the side of the square. From here, when we notice, when this circle is rebent into a square, so what will happen is that this is the wire and this is the wire. So therefore, circumference of circle is equal to perimeter of square. So when circle is rebent in the form of a square, then perimeter of square is equal to circumference of circle. This implies 4x is equal to 2 pi r. This implies x is equal to 2 into 22 into 28 by 4 into 7. So we cancel 7 4 4 4 and we get 44 centimeters. Therefore, side of square is 44 centimeters.